Sri Sai Ram. On the occasion of the 26th convocation of the Sri Satya Sai University and on the eve of the 82nd birthday celebrations of our Divine Chancellor, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba, the students of the university offer at his lotus feet a drama entitled Hridayavani.
Situated in a small town in the neighborhood of the little hamlet of Anandgram, Vidya Mandir Junior College is the only institution in the region which caters to the educational needs of the residents of a number of villages, including Anandgram. For the past 7 years, the junior college has been ably led by Vishwanath Verma, the principal, who has been an iconic figure for the students and parents. We are at the farewell function of Vidya Mandir Junior College.
Wonderful program. You students have made us proud today. You have shown to one and all that if we work together, learn together, and grow up with such an attitude, nothing is impossible to attain. Heaven is not an utopian wonder. It is a wonderful reality where each lives for the other and all live for God. My dear students, dream. Don't ever give up your dreams and work hard to realize your dreams. As I pause and ponder about you noble students, surging ahead with passion for the country, marching ahead with love for God in your hearts and His power in your hands, my cup of joy overflows. And now, I have a very pleasant duty to perform. Every year, we reward the best student who has proved his class in academics, talent, and character. And this year's best student is Sudhir Purushottam. Many congratulations to you, Sudhir.
Thank you, sir.
This is a momentous occasion for you. Would you like to say something?
Thank you, sir. I would strive my best to live up to your expectations. Sir, like a potter who molds clay into an object of beauty and utility, you teachers have given me your time, attention, and affection to fill me with confidence to face challenges of the future. I am very grateful for that. Personally, I would like to thank our beloved principal, sir, Shri Vishwanath Verma ji. I have read elevating stories of many gurus of yore. But today, I can confidently say that I have seen one. Sir, you are my role model.
Son, God bless you. Tell us, what is your dream? How would you like to serve the people of this nation?
Sir, I have a dream. A dream to become a doctor. Sir, a doctor can serve and derive joy from that service instantaneously. To win the trust and see the smile of a cured patient and be a beneficiary of his goodwill is a blessing that I want to experience.
Indeed, a very noble dream, Sudhir. The nation needs young professionals with such selfless attitude. May God be with you. And to you all, my children, I wish you all the best and God bless you.
Sir, I would like you to meet my father.
Namaste. Sir, it is a privilege to meet you every time. You have made such a deep impact on Sudhir that he keeps talking about you. In fact, all students and parents feel that ever since you took over as principal here, Vidya Mandir Junior College has been transformed into a real temple of learning.
You're flattering me, Purushottam. I should tell you that you must be a proud father. Your son is intelligent, talented, and above all, humble. I can see a bright future ahead of him. I am sure he will become a doctor.
Sir, it is good to dream big.
But set aside your worries, Purushottam. I know my Sudhir. Sudhir, in you, I see my son, whom I lost years ago.
Sir, I will never let you down, sir. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
Sudhir, who has just passed out of the junior college, dreams of becoming a doctor. For a young man, to dream of his future is good. But when there are no means to realize his dreams, dreaming can at best be an exercise in futile imagination. Will Sudhir's dream become a reality, or does destiny hold something else for him?
Purushottam ji, how are you feeling today? The position in which you are sitting is not ergonomic at all. There is a possibility that you might develop a neck strain, which can lead on to spondylitis, which is not good for
Stop it, Sudhir. Don't disturb me now.
you. I'm sorry, Father. I was just acting. I mean, I'm so excited. Okay, forget that. Here it is. The prospectus of one of the best medical colleges. Father, in no time, your Sudhir will become Dr. Sudhir. I just thought
That is the problem with you, Sudhir. You are thinking too much these days. And that is why you are becoming a dreamer instead of a realist.
Father, I just fail to understand what you are trying to convey. Father, since my childhood, it was you who instilled this dream into me. And today,
I was wrong, Sudhir. Chasing dreams is the privilege of the rich and not of the son of a postman.
no, Father, money should not be a hurdle. I'm sure someone would definitely help us.
Sudhir, give up your dreams of becoming a doctor.
But why? Father, our poverty might have robbed us of all luxuries of life. But let it not take away our perseverance. Condemn not my aspirations, Father. I beg you.
I beg you to, my son. I
No,
beg
Father,
you
no.
to. Oh God, feel the pitiful mourning of this father's heart. I dreamt of you saving the lives of hundreds. But today I stand helpless at the doors of destiny, begging for your life. Mercy, O Lord, mercy, mercy.
Father? What's the matter, Father? What's the matter?
Sudhir, from your birth, you have a hole in your heart. As you played joyously, studied meticulously, my heart yelled in silence at the cruelty of fate. I spent all my earnings. I pawned all my belongings to save your life. And now, doctors say an operation is inevitable. An operation that would cost 4 lakh rupees. How would this penniless postman ever raise such an amount? I have nothing left except these tears. Except these tears.
Father? All these years?
I'm sorry, my son. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, Father. I feel sorry for you. All these years, all alone, you bore this burden of anguish in your heart. So that I could pursue my dreams.
How could I tell you, my son? How could I tell you that the hands that rock your cradle would one day have to... All I need is money. Money so that I can buy your life. That is all I need.
No, Father. All that we need now is not money, but faith. And that is what we have. Has He not promised refuge to those who surrender to him? I remember my principal sir once told me the soul-stirring story of Sri Bhadrachal Ramdas.
Bhadrachal Ramdas was a Tehsildar serving the Sultan of Golconda in the 17th century. Anguished to see the idols of Rama, Lakshmana and Sita exposed to the sun and rain, Ramdas built a magnificent temple for the Lord with the money collected as tax from the subjects of the Sultan. But Tanesha the Sultan was infuriated by this act. The Sultan's fury was a test of faith and the power of perseverance of Ramdas.
I have received reports that you have misappropriated tax money for the construction of a temple. What do you have to say about that?
Remember that you are in the presence of the king. So choose your words carefully before you speak, Ramdas, for they may be your last.
Huzur, I have provided shelter to the one who provides shelter to all, including you and me. If taxes could be used for building forts, citadels and tombs in honor of the dead, what is wrong in building a temple for the eternal emperor?
Stop arguing with your superiors and accept your mistake. Our benevolent Sultan may be kind enough to pardon you.
Pardon me? For what? Huzur, the temple of the compassionate Lord shall become an edifice in eternity, proclaiming in silence the glory and tolerance of Tanesha, in whose reign it was built.
Do not try to deflect us from your follies with your irrelevant eruditions. The fact is clear and simple. You have embezzled government funds, and it is your responsibility to compensate the loss. Gods, take this defaulter to prison and put him through a course of severe torture until he craves for forgiveness.
Rama, are you going to watch your devotee being disgraced in mute silence? Why don't you respond to the piteous cries of your devotee? Paluke Bangaramahena, Kodandavani Paluke Bangaramahena. Paluke Bangaramai, Pilichina Palukavemi, Paluke Bangaramai, Pilichina Palukavemi, Kalaluni Namasvaranam, Vachakani Sami Paluke Bangaramahena. शरणागतत्राण विरुदान् की तुडवुगाद शरणागतत्राण विरुदान् की तुडवुगाद करुणिंचु भद्राचल पररामदास पोष पलुके बंगार मायेना.
Look, Ismail Bhai, look! To what levels our administrators are ready to stoop to make this person speak out? They have given these unpalatable chapatis. Even animals would curl in revulsion at the very smell of this. How can we feed the prisoner with such food after torturing him for no apparent reason?
Shh! Pidanna, you are too loud.
I too resent such extreme treatment. But remember, we are just servants and we have to follow the orders implicitly. We have no option but to give these to the prisoner.
ఎంతో రుచిరా ఏమి రుచిరా Rama, how can I praise your divine compassion? Even in these circumstances, you ensure that your devotee is fed with ambrosial delicacies. But Rama, nothing is sweeter than your divine name. O Rama, Shri Rama, Shri Rama, O Rama, ni namami turuchira, entu ruchi, entu ruchi, entu ruchira, Shri Rama, ni namami turuchira, entu ruchi, entu ruchi, entu ruchira. కదళీ ఖర్జూరాది కలకండ కన్నను కదళీ ఖర్జూరాది కలకండ కన్నను పతిత పావన నామమేమి రుచిరా ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచిరా నవరస పరమాన నవనీతముల కన్న అధికమో నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా శ్రీరామ నీ నామమెంతో రుచిరా ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచిరా సదాశివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించెడి సదాశివుడు నిన్ను సదా భజించెడి సదానంద నీ నామమేమి రుచిరా ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచి ఎంతో రుచిరా హరయ భద్రాచల శ్రీరామదాసుని తేలిన నీ నామమెంత రుచిరా శ్రీరామ నీ నామమెంతో రుచిరా ఎంతో రుచిరా ఓ రామ నీ నామమెంతో రుచిరా ఎంతో రుచిరా
Ramdas, you were the best Tehsildar I ever had. Then why do you put me in such a predicament? Repent for your mistake and return the money. All this shall end at once.
Huzur, I would gladly pay up if I had the money. But I have nothing with me right now other than the Tharaka Mantram.
Your obstinacy and arrogance are testing my patience to the hilt. It is only the veil of my sympathy that acts as a barrier between your life and death. You will have to give the entire account of the expenditure and pay up for your deeds. You leave me with no other choice than to settle my account this way.
Rama, he asks me to settle my account with him. It is you who must settle my account, as I have spent everything for you.
Guards!
Lakshmana, it is time.
Ya Allah. Who are you? How could you enter my chamber with all the security around?
You called us. And here we are. I am Ramanna. And he's my brother, Lakshmanna. We are servants of the Lord's servant, whom you have imprisoned.
You mean you're servants of Ramdas? What else could I do? In the first place, he built a temple using the tax money. And then, he is so arrogant. The wretched criminal had to be punished.
Restrain thy tongue, Huzur. Ramdas has not used the money for self-aggrandizement. His act is for the benefit of the community and there is nothing wrong with it.
Lakshmanna, Tanisha, we understand your discomfiture in losing such a huge amount. So I have come to pay the entire amount with interest. Lakshmanna,
Count your money, O king.
I wonder how Ramdas could manage such a huge amount.
శ్రీవారి అండ దొరికిన వారికి సిరికి తక్కువేం.
I owe him much more than this. O king, now that your account is settled, please arrange to release him.
The Lord is ready to go to any extent to redeem his devotee. Just one call from the depths of the heart and he rushes in with any form, at any time, in any place.
The Lord Himself rescued Ramdas. Father, when intentions are noble and efforts earnest, no matter who we are, what we are, the power of the Almighty will create a path where there is none. Father, let us turn to Him. I am sure He will take care. He will.
My child Sudhir. Oh Lord, I do not know what good fortune has made me deserve this child. But now, you want to take him away from me? You promised us, Adavilonunnā, Akashamunanunnā, Pattanamunanunnā, Pallenunnā, Guttameedanunnā, Natteetanunnanu, Devadevudu Maruvadu Ninneppudu. Hey Vidhata, I beseech you to come to our rescue. Who are these people?
No idea, Father.
Sairam, sir.
Namaste. What brings you all here?
We have come with prasadam sent by Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba.
Oh, Satya Sai Baba of Puttaparthi.
Yes, it is our privilege to serve the people of this village from today. How many members in the house?
Well, just the two of us.
Swami has specially sent it for you. Please accept it as a token of his blessing for you and your family.
But friends, who are you all?
We are Swami students. We have been the direct beneficiaries of his love and grace. We have seen God. We have touched him. We have spoken to him.
Even as we completed our education at his university, he told us, "Go serve in the villages. Every village must have clean drinking water. Every village should have its own school. And each and every individual must have access to proper medical care.
It is our humble attempt to follow the command of our master. Bhagwan is going to provide pure drinking water to all the people in Anand Gram.
Today, we have even got some of the best doctors for a preliminary health checkup.
Health checkup? Did you say health checkup?
Yes, Kaka. Please come.
No, no. It is not for me. It is for my son. My only son.
What is the problem, Kaka?
My son suffers from a hole in his heart. Doctors have given him just 2 more years. And they quote me a price that I just cannot afford.
Kaka, do not despair. For whom else has Swami opened those magnificent temples of healing? The Sri Satya Sai Super Speciality Hospitals.
He will not only heal an ailing heart, but will also suffuse it
With love and faith.
But the cost?
Kaka, you do not have to pay even a single naya paisa. The whole treatment is absolutely free of cost. Thousands have been beneficiaries of that divine love in action. Come, Kaka, let's take your son there.
Oh Rama, there you came to the rescue of your great devotee Ramdas. And today you are alleviating the suffering of a simple postman?
Many are the miracles wrought by the Kali Yuga avatar for the benefit of mankind. Establishment of the Sri Satya Sai Super Speciality Hospitals is one of the foremost among them. Through these temples of healing, Swami has touched millions of hearts, infused new hope into the lives of thousands of people who could never ever have dreamt of such care. It is said, Vaidyo Narayano Harihi. In this case, Narayana himself has become the doctor.
क्या खुश नसीब जो साई को पाले, उसे पाकर दुख दर्द मिटा ले। सहारा वही है, किनारा वही है, यारा वही है, ओ यारा वही है। क्या खुश नसीब जो साई को पाले। अंधेरे में रोशनी भी तू है, दिल में उमड़ता प्यार भी तू है। अब तो ये जीवन तेरे हवाले, अब तो ये जीवन तेरे हवाले। रहम नजर कर కరుణతో నా హృదయం కరిగింది, నీ మహిమతో నా మనసు కురిసింది. కరుడుగట్టిన నా హృదయం నీ ప్రేమ తోడనే కరిగింది, నీ ప్రేమ తోడనే కరిగింది. మలినమైన నా మనసు నీ మహిమ తోడనే మెరసింది, నీ మహిమ తోడనే మెరసింది. ప్రేమ పరములోన నీదు ప్రేమ మాకు సర్వము.
A new leaf has been turned over in Sudhir's life. The Sri Satya Sai Super Speciality Hospital is an outstanding example of the power of love and sacrifice. Each of the doctors, nurses, technicians and Sevadal volunteers are transmitters of Swami's divine grace to the patients, and that is what heals them faster. Sudhir too has been touched.
Excuse me, doctor.
Oh, Sairam Vishu.
Sairam, doctor. Can we speak to that boy?
Oh, sure. His story is very interesting.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam, brother. How are you this morning?
Fine.
My name is Sunil.
And you can call me Bishu. We are from Radio Sai Global Harmony. We have come here just for a chat. Is that okay with you?
So, brother, what is your name?
I'm Sudhir.
From?
I'm from Anandgram.
Did you come here with your parents?
I came with my father. I lost my mother when I was 5 years old. That brother Sai Giridhar brought us here. When few students came to our home and told us about this beautiful hospital. They even paid for our journey.
Sudhir, let me tell you, you have been very brave to have undergone a major surgery. How do you feel now?
Brother, I have not seen heaven, but I can tell you what it feels like being there. I am drenched in the deluge of love showered by each and every person over here. Right from Dr. Uncle to sisters to the Sevadal volunteers. If they are so loving, then what must be the love of their God? Brother, I am overwhelmed. Can I ever repay my debt of gratitude to Swami?
Sudhir, all that Swami wants is just your love and faith in him.
Sir, this will be the most cherished experience of my life. I have always dreamt of becoming a doctor. I know my father cannot afford this dream of mine. He's a village postman. But to dream is not expensive, no, brother.
Oh no, Sudhir, not at all.
The love that I have received from the doctors here has strengthened my will to become a doctor somehow and serve in this hospital itself. Swami has touched my heart, and I too want to heal hearts by becoming a doctor.
Why not, Sudhir? You will become a doctor. Your intentions are noble, and Swami will help you realize your dream. We will all pray for you.
Brother, I feel so happy speaking to you all.
Okay, Sudhir, can you tell us how it all began?
It was in our college when our principal sir used to tell us.
As the narration of Sudhir's story goes on here, across the seas in the United States of America, a new day has dawned in the life of Dr. Ashutosh, a day after which he will never be the same again.
Hello, Ashutosh.
Hello, Guna.
You seem to be pretty busy these days. Hey, am I disturbing you?
No, it's all right.
Something is Ashutosh? What happened?
You know, Guna, for the past few weeks, I have been doing some soul searching. And every time, I find myself groping around in nothingness. After all this achievement, I still feel a vacuum in my heart. Forget all that. You tell me, how are you?
I'm fine. You know, Ashutosh, last week I called my parents. They said they were missing me. I could sense their loneliness. I am also sorely missing them. Ashutosh, today I feel, even as I'm pursuing my dreams, age is catching up with my parents. They need me now.
So, when are they coming here, Guna?
They are not coming here. I'm going back home for good tomorrow.
Is this some joke, Guna?
I couldn't be more serious, Ashutosh.
Guna, your career is peaking right now. Would you sacrifice your career for their sake? You are crazy.
Ashutosh, they are my parents. For their sake, I'm prepared to do anything. Career is not more important than their well-being. Ashutosh, they helped me take my first steps. And today, when they need my support, can my ambition become more important? They gave me life. And now, can I just leave them to the mercy of destiny? No, I cannot do that. Ashutosh, they are everything to me. And frankly, I am not sacrificing anything. I am very happy to go back. Anyway, wish you all the best, friend. Take care.
Oh God, what is this? How could he do that? Just leave everything and go away? Just because his parents miss him? And when my father told the same thing to me, I told him not to get sentimental. His heart is with his parents. And mine?
This is not a valid number. Please check the number and dial again. This is not a valid number.
Oh, Father, I thought that you'd never understood me. But maybe it was I who'd never understood your love for me. And Ma, you just tearfully watched me leave. You never said anything because you thought it would hurt me. I miss you both so much. I miss you both so much.
You're on Maestro, proud part of World Space Satellite Radio. Our email address.
You are tuned to Radio Sai Global Harmony. Bring Radio.
ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా, జనని జన్మభూమిశ్చ స్వర్గాధిపకరియసి. ఆ తల్లి నాకు జన్మనిచ్చినటువంటి భూమి నాకు ప్రధానమైనటువంటి స్వర్గం కంటే గొప్పది అన్నాడు. మాతృదేవో భవ పితృదేవో భవ అన్నారు. కనుకనే మొట్టమొదట తల్లి తండ్రులను ప్రేమించండి. వారిని ఏమాత్రము బాధించవద్దు, ఏ విధంలో కూడాను బాధించకూడదు. కనుక మొట్టమొదట మీరు చదివినందుకు తల్లిదండ్రులకు తగినటువంటి గ్రాటిట్యూడ్స్ అందించాలి. అది నిజమైనటువంటి దైవ సేవ. అప్పుడే నీ యొక్క హృదయం కూడా చల్లబడుతుంది, శాంతిని చేకూరుస్తుంది. ఏది చేసినా దైవ కార్యంగా నీవు భావించి చేయి, తప్పక అన్ని విజయాన్ని పొందుతావు.
He has heard the call of that voice. When the inner voice is ignored, that voice takes an outer form to remind us to listen to its dictates. He guides, goads, and prods us on to the right path. Meanwhile, in Anandgram, it is 3 months since Sudhir has come back from Puttaparthi. His reinvigorated heart beats with gratitude and an even stronger aspiration to become a doctor somehow and work in Swami's hospital.
ओ मेरे साई, ओ मेरे बाबा, तुम ही प्राणदाता हो, भाग्य विधाता. ओ हो, ओ हो, ओ हो, ओ मेरे साई. जिधर देखता हूँ महिमा है तेरी, तेरे करिश्मे है ये धरती भी तेरी. मेरे सपनों में तुम ही बसे हो, मेरे दिल की धड़कन बस एक तुम हो. मेरे दिल की धड़कन, दिल की धड़कन. सोचता हूँ मैं कभी डॉक्टर बनूंगा, तेरे विद्यालय में सेवा करूंगा. सोचता हूँ मैं कभी डॉक्टर बनूंगा, तेरे विद्यालय में सेवा करूंगा. ओ हो, दिलों का दर्द दूर करूंगा, ये दिल तेरा तुझको अर्पण करूंगा.
हे साईश्वरा, हे करुणा करा, మదిలోన మాట వినిపించలేదా, అసహాయుడనై నీ దరికి చేరాను, ఓ తండ్రి బాధ తెలిసేను కాదా, మదిలోన ఈ వ్యథ ప్రేమతోనే కాదా.
ओ मेरे साई, ओ मेरे बाबा, जिधर देखता हूँ महिमा है तेरी, तेरे करिश्मे है ये धरती भी तेरी. ओ मेरे साई. Father, what happened?
I have failed, Sudhir. I have failed as a father.
Father, why are you saying this?
You know, Sudhir, when as a child you held my hand to take your first few steps, I had promised myself that I would not let you grow up to be like me, languishing in poverty. But alas, no.
Good afternoon. Yes? Are you Sudhir?
Yes, I am. And how
And you must be Mr. Purushottam, Sudhir's father.
Yes, but how do you know our names? Please have a seat.
Well, I heard your story on the radio. Radio Sai Global Harmony.
Oh, and?
I heard Sudhir's story on the radio and I was deeply touched. I want him to become a doctor.
So do we. But the problem is that...
That's what I have come to resolve. Please don't say no. I want Sudhir to achieve his dreams. And if you permit, I would like to pay for the entire medical education of Sudhir. Yes, sir. I want Sudhir to work hard and procure a seat in a medical college. You need not worry about the fees and other expenses. It shall be taken care of.
Are you Swami himself come here in this form? Or is this just a figment of my imagination?
Sir, I have been sent by the Swami residing in my heart. I am doing this bit for my own solace and comfort.
But who are you and where do you come from?
Sir, I am Dr. Ashutosh, a physician working in America. When I heard about Sudhir's story and dream, I felt that he was calling out to me. And here I am.
I don't know what to say. Son, you are truly an angel. You are really God sent. Blessed are your parents to have a son like you. They must be so proud.
No. Please, don't say that. No parent would ever wish to have an ungrateful son like me. Please, just leave that. I deserve only turmoil and tumult in my life.
Sir, after giving me the nectar of life, you yourself drink the poison of pain?
Sudhir, this pain comes from a hollow ambition and an indifferent heart. Please, don't be like me, brother. The call of duty got drowned in the deafening noises of my ambition. Intoxicated by ambition and blinded by desire, I deserted my parents to fend for themselves. Little did I realize that the dreams I had been chasing were just mirages. And then one day, the call came. That voice commanded me to wake up to my duty. I searched for my parents, but in vain. I inquired about their whereabouts in every nook and corner of Shripuram. I think I have lost them forever.
Shripuram? Did you say Shripuram?
Yes, Shripuram. That is my native place. I was born and brought up there. But why do you say so? Do you?
I think this letter belongs to you.
This is his letter?
Yes.
But how do you know that?
Sudhir, at the time of your operation, as I sat for darshan in Prashanti Nilayam, Bhagwan Baba himself came up to me and handing over this letter said, "Hey postman, Shripuram doctor ko deliver karo." And since then, I searched hard for any person who suited that description. And now finally, I think I have found the right addressee.
Oh my God! This is my father's letter to Baba, praying for my well-being. Even though I deserted my parents, they had only blessings to give me. Oh, what have I done? What a wretched, ungrateful son I've been. Where are they? Principal, sir?
Sudhir? Purushottam? How are you, Sudhir?
Fine, sir.
So, all fit and...
Father, sir. Father. Forgive me, Father.
Past is past.
Vishwanath ji, you should be a proud father. It is because of your son that my Sudhir will become a doctor.
Yes, sir. He's going to pay for my entire medical education. I will never leave you and go, Father. I will never leave you and go.
I have realized that everything in life is a stroke of an unseen hand, sculpting our lives into an image of perfection. Let us bow down to its mastery.
Oh Divine Director, how beautifully you have scripted our stories. How wonderfully you have pulled our strings and brought us all close to you. Can we ever fathom thy Leelas?
Hey Sutradhari, it was you who held our hands and led us all throughout till the end. Oh Hridayavasi, all the hearts beat in unison with love, gratitude and devotion to thee.
ओ मेरे साई, ओ मेरे बाबा, तुम ही प्राणदाता हो, भाग्य विधाता. ओहो 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 ओहो. खुशी से गा रहे, प्यार के गीत दोहरा रहे. दिल खुशी से गा रहे, प्यार के गीत दोहरा रहे. वो तेरी जय जयकार हर दिल में लेकर प्यार, जागे सारा संसार. दिल खुशी से गा रहे, प्यार के गीत दोहरा रहे. धिमिक धिमिक धिम, धिम धिम धिमिक धिमिक धिम, धिमिक धिमिक धिम तेरे नाम. दिल खुशी से गा रहे. तुमने लाखों को जीवन दिया है. जय जय साई राम. दुखियों का दुख दूर किया है. जय जय साई राम. स्वीकारो ये जीवन हमारे, चरणों में चरणों में चरणों में चरणों में. श्री रामचंद्र कृपाल भज मन हर भव भय दारुण, नव कन्या लोचन कन्या मुख कर कन्या पद कंचारुणम. मां मनसुलो ఈశ్వరం, పలికే ప్రేమకే తొలివరం. పులకించే భావాలే మా మదిలో స్వప్నాలే ఉప్పొంగెలే. ధిమిక్ ధిమిక్ ధిమ్, ధిమ్ ధిమ్ ధిమిక్ ధిమిక్ ధిమ్, ధిమిక్ ధిమిక్ ధిమ్ तेरे नाम. మనసులో ఈశ్వరం. మా ప్రాణదీపం నీవే, మా జీవ శ్వాసము నీవే. మరులు గొలిపించే మకరందం గుండెలో లిఖించు మాట మనసు పులకించు పాట మమతల మధురిమ మది మది తాకిన నీ ప్రేమ పాట दिल खुशी से गा रहे प्यार के गीत दोहरा रहे वो तेरी जय जयकार दिल में लेकर प्यार